Happy National Fire Alarm Day, folks. This is Matt with Storm and Roughhand 96. I was trying to think of something I could do today for National Fire Alarm Day. I can't really think of much of anything. I got a lot of fire alarm videos I filmed previously that will be uploaded soon. But for today, to celebrate National Fire Alarm Day, we're just going to do a walk test with my Unimode 5UD. The Gentex alarms are still up, so let's go ahead and get it going here. Okay. We'll select walk test. Now if people were home right now, I would do silent walk test, but I'm home alone today, so we're going to do audible. Alright. Let's go ahead and take a look at our alarms. Alright. Alright, let's reset this thing. Alright folks, happy National Fire Alarm Day. Take care.